Welcome back, everyone. So today we are going to play blade ball. As you can see, it has not started yet, but let's see. Let's see if our enemies are good at this game or not. This is probably going to be an easy round, except if some are tryhards. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for us to win this game. Wala! Let's see if we will win this game, guys. The chances that we will win this game is pretty low. 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 Putik. Okay, guys, so we died. That's all. Thank you. Hello. Okay, guys, so we are going to still play blade ball, but in duels. So what that means is that we're going to play blade ball, but in a one-on-one. Let's see. Oh shit. This is going to be hard because our enemy is so good at this game. But let's still see if he is good, guys. Please don't mind the background because these are my classmates that are eating in a food trip, and a trip is a food. Putang inang lag. TNT? Okay, guys, so if you don't know who Danica Jin is, oh shit, putang. Looks like our enemy is going to be a good one, I think, but never mind. Our enemy is not good at this game, guys, so let's see on the second round if they will kill us. And they did not. So I guess, guys, this is going to be an easy round for today. And then after this round, we'll play another game called The Strongest Battle of Butik na. Okay, guys, so I guess this is not going to be an easy round because of the gravity of the earth. No! What? Okay, guys, so you know. guys, so look, looks like that was an easy round. Let's fight with him one more time. God damn, what the fuck was that? Damn! Grabe! Let's use axe of balance. Sheesh! Nice. Okay guys, so we won the second round. Let's go to the basta. Okay guys, so he won the second he won the third round. Okay guys, so we are ending the video for today. Nah, I'm just kidding. We are going to change games. So now we are going to play the Mimic. I haven't played this game in a long time. Let's see if this is if if if, if this game is scary. Let's go. What the fuck was that? Let's go. Let's play the Mimic. I don't know how to play this game because I haven't played it in a while, and the while is I I mean I haven't played this in about 3,000 years. Let's see the game modes. Let's play. Nightmare? Let's do chapter 1. Bakit wadak ta? Tani tani chapa. Na 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 ni na ni na 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 na. The Mimic. Let's turn out the volume, guys. Game contains flashing lights, so jump scared. This is not going to be scary. Be experienced with headphones. Headphones. Okay, guys, so I don't know what headphones means, but it is headphones. 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 Let's see. We are still updating the content of the video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Like, subscribe. What the fuck is this? Ito. Come on, Marisa. Ay. Toggle settings. Where's the office? Office, 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 office. The Mimic. The Mimic. Hindi man. Let's go to the office, guys. Hindi. Where the flip is the... Oh! What's up? La 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 la. Office, office, office. Office, office, office. Let's go, let's go. Office, let's go to the office. Let's go to the office. Okay, guys, so we're in the office and let's go find a key, of course. Please don't mind the background music. Where the fuck is the... Look. This is not a scary game, guys. Totally not a scary game. Definitely not a scary game. I am not scared in this game, guys, because it is not scary. Let's keep putang on there. Uy! The fuck was that? Lo, putik. Ay. It hurts to see you like brother. What? I wish I had a little more time to tell you where it hurts. The fuck? Putik. Lanjare! Ayoko na. Gago. Ano oras na? The fuck? The fuck is that? Putak ina, ano yan? The fuck? This is definitely not scary, guys. Oh. What the f... Where the flip? Where the flip am I? Okay, let's get the candle, of course. I have the candle. Seek out a book. Control to crouch. Gawa nyo. How did I end up in Aminka? I don't even know where my boat is. Open! 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 Gago! Ay, wala nga, guys. So, hindi pala to. Okay, guys, hindi ito. Where the flip is... Ala, gago. The fuck is that? Nothing, guys. It's a dead end. Let's see here. What do we have here? Run, bitch. Gago. Okay. Okay, let's see here, guys. Let's see what do we have. Okay, I think this is nothing that's... Shit! What the fuck? Putang ina ko! Okay, guys, so I didn't see nothing. It is not scary. Ooh. Ooh. What's up, man? Joke lang. Hmm? Wow. Hmm. Okay, flip this.